Welcome to Destinations A to Z RV News and Recalls. This is a video that comes out first Saturday and every single month, bringing you the latest of RV industry news and RV recall. This is the November edition of RV News and Recalls, and this is a special edition. We are at Rainbow RV Resort here in Frostproof, Florida. Let's get it started. Talking about the RV industry first, Coleman Mach releases new air conditioners for RVs. Airxcel's Coleman Mach brand is unveiling several new RV air conditioner products at the company's 2025 product showcase. Coleman Mach released its variable speed IntelliCool rooftop air conditioner. The new air conditioner is accompanied by a newly designed shroud and a ceiling assembly with 360-degree airflow. Together, Airxcel said the IntelliCool system provides consumers with improved comfort and durability, and the IntelliCool air conditioner features 18,000 BTUs of cooling power. Other key features include multi-directional variable speed settings, a low amperage startup, and a design that reduces sound and minimizes vibration. Coleman Mach is also debuting a low-profile ceiling assembly with hidden controls. The company said the assembly provides flexible assembly and modern finish. The assembly is available ducted and non-ducted versions to support varied RV floor plans. The company said the hidden controls interface provides an uncluttered aesthetic while maintaining intuitive system management. The company's new dual-tone shroud design is available with either a white gloss or a black crown with textured base. Coleman Mach said the aerodynamic shroud provides OEMs with a distinct visual identity. Continuing with the RV industry, RV rental company expands. Fireside Rental has acquired Go Homeport Breezy RV Rental in Arizona and Colorado. Go Homeport Breezy RV Rental has 5 locations. With the acquisition, Fireside said it makes up past 70 locations nationwide. The company said that the acquisition makes Fireside RV Rental the largest RV rental management franchise in the U.S. Fireside RV Rental founder and CEO Gar Russell said the expansion enables his company to serve consumers better. This partnership allows us to expand our footprint into 2 key travel markets, according to Russell said, while continuing to help more families and adventurers experience the joy of RV travel, which that's always great news. Fireside said its management platform pairs RV owners with consumers seeking to rent RVs. Continuing with the RV industry, Airxcel's unit MaxxAir introduces smart control ventilation. MaxxAir, a brand of Airxcel, specializes in RV ventilation, has expanded their product portfolio and includes 3 new innovative designs to improve airflow installation, flexibility, and user-friendly control. The Max Pivot, Max Deluxe 11, and the MaxxFan Bluetooth kit. According to the press release, these latest advancements were featured at the 2025 New Product Showcase held last month in Elkhart, Indiana. Each model continues MaxxAir's tradition of providing quality and RV owners with more choice and for more comfort features, advancing ventilation solutions and for modern RVs. MaxxAir's newest offerings are thoughtfully engineered to meet evolving demands of today's RV owners, reliability and popularity of the MaxxFan and MaxxFan Deluxe line. MaxxFan Bluetooth kit, an easy-to-install retrofit that brings smart home convenience to the MaxxFan models with its electric lids, for an example, the MaxxFan Plus and the Deluxe. With the Bluetooth upgrade, RV owners can control the fan speed and lid position directly from the smart home tablet, eliminating the need for wall-mounted switches or handled remote. Designed for the tech-savvy traveler, the kit offers seamlessly connectivity and features growing demand for modern app-based control of RV appliances. This innovation allows users to easily manage comfort from inside their RV, enhancing the overall experience with the simple touch MaxxFan Pivot, a pivoting rooftop fan that offers directional airflow for RVs. The MaxxFan Pivot features a drop-down fan head that pivots inside the cabin, allowing the users to direct their airflow to where they need it. The unit has 4-speed fan moving up to 400 CFMs of air for consistent comfort. Its low-profile design fits seamlessly on the roof, making it suitable for modern aerodynamic RVs. The fan operates within the lid open or closed, functioning as a ceiling circulating when the lid is shut. Guided by a deep understanding of RVer experience and directional airflow sleek profile, a MaxxFan Pivot was purposely designed to meet the genuine needs of RV living. The MaxxFan Deluxe 11-inch A space-efficient version of the Max Fan Deluxe is meant for small RVs, camper vans like Class Bs, and roofs with limited space. Despite its smaller size, it fits 11 by 11 roof openings. This compact fan offers full Max Fan functionality, including a 10-speed reversible fan to intake and exhaust. Larger Max Fan Deluxe fits 14 by 14 roof openings. It features built-in rain shield, allowing continued airflow and ventilation in poor weather conditions. Max Fan Deluxe 11-inch includes a handheld remote control for easy operation inside the RV. Its compact design frees up roof space for additional equipment. Time to talk about the RV market. Wholesale RV value. Black Book, which publishes a family of vehicle appraisal guides, has released the Black Book market commentary for October. The values used in RVs sold to wholesale auctions declined last month, with motorhomes and towables each dropping slightly. The motorhome average still is a bit elevated due to the continued presence of high-end Class A's running through the auction lanes. But the downward trajectory of both types are generally expected for this time of year, as we are in the fall now and getting ready to be in the winter here in just a couple of months. As typical RV use season begins to wind down, taking a closer look at the markets, we see that the average selling price for the motorhomes was $70,241, which is down $1,547 or 2.2% from the previous month. Towables came in at $17,292, down $792 or 4.4% from last month. 1 year ago, the average motorhome sold for $68,309, and the average towable brought $19,048. Auction volume was mixed. Motorhomes increased 15.8%, while towables fell 0.1%. The average age of a motorhome was 9 years old at 2016. Towables was 5 years old at 2020. It's time for the RV Resort Spotlight. The RV Spotlight, needless to say, since we are at Rainbow RV Resort this month, that's the resort we're spotlighting. Rainbow RV Resort is in Frostproof, Florida, situated next to Crooked Lake. Rainbow RV Community is the place to go if you want to an active 55-plus lifestyle with plenty of room to relax, as well as the best proximity to many attractions. Enjoy a day of friendly competition playing bocce ball, pickleball, or shuffleboard. You can even also spend time by the pool, leisurely stroll to the lake for a day of fishing or boating. They offer a wide selection of accommodations with hundreds of full hookup sites, farming cabin rentals. Want to get away from it all? Walt Disney World, wine tasting, restaurants, and shops is just a short drive from our RV community here at Rainbow. So if you're looking for RVing in Florida or searching for a home away from home, then this is the place you need to be. It's an ideal spot. It's laid-back atmosphere for your active snowbird lifestyle. And here are just some of the amenities. Yes, it's gated. It's controlled access. They have Wi-Fi access, mail center, restrooms and shower facilities, laundry facilities. Does cost. On-site storage, which also does cost. Pickleball, cornhole, pet area, big humongous clubhouse, covered pavilion, picnic area, hot tubs, 2 of them by the way, fishing, horseshoes, bocce ball, cornhole, shuffleboard, fitness center, game room, library, billiards, and much more. Link will be in the video description below, and be sure to let them know that you've seen it here on Destinations A to Z RV News and Recalls. And trust me, you can see right here behind me, this atmosphere is absolutely amazing. It's perfect weather here, great community. There's stuff going on all the time, including dances, and yes, even some meals. Time to talk about RV interest rates. There's no change for the month of November, with IFG the same as Great RV Loan with a low of 5.99. The Fed has cut rates another 25 basis points though. However, RV interest rates are still holding steady, which is not good. As usual, we'll stay on top of it and we'll let you know next month whether the Fed decides to drop it in November, which I don't think he will. I do think he'll drop it in December, and we'll see what the rates are then. It's time for the Destinations A to Z video spotlight. This month, the spotlight is on Blood, Bandages, and Panic RV Trip. Be sure to check it out. And yes, no RVer wants to have this right here as well. Scar right through here. You'll see how I actually got that. So no RVer wants to face that ever. Link will be in the video description below. Have some fun with that one. It's time for the RV channel spotlight. This month, the RV YouTube channel spotlight is the RV Wingman. Yes, he's Alan Warren, the RV Wingman, former campground owner and lifelong RV enthusiast. His mission is simple: to help RVers make smart decisions and avoid costly mistakes. And Steer clear of bad dealers. Whether you're buying your RV the very first time or you're a seasoned traveler, he shares honest, no-nonsense advice, keep you informed and protected, exposing industry tricks, deceptive sales tactics, shares real-life stories of RV buyers, providing expert tips on buying and owning and maintaining an RV, connecting with you and America's most trusted RV dealers. If you're tired of RV dealers playing games and just want the plain truth of RVing, then that's what you need to do. Need help with an RV issue? Trust me, you want to subscribe to this channel. And I've been watching him for many years, all the way back when it had a radio show called RV USA. He's amazing and very, very helpful. A link to his channel will be in the video below as always. Be sure to let him know that you've seen it here on Destinations A to Z RV News and Recalls. He'll appreciate that. It's time for the most important news of all, RV recalls. This month we dropped from 17 to 13. Forest River is still continuing their trend with having the most recalls, with 6 this month, bringing them to a total of 38. The total recalls for the year now is up to 118. For the top 5 of the most recalls, Forest River is still number 1 with 38. Jayco is number 2 with 11. Winnebago is number 3 with 9. Keystone is number 4 with Grand Designs, and Storyteller, Thor, Brinkley, and Daimler tied at 5 with 5. Thor Motor Coach. LP tank may detach and become a road hazard. A detached tank can create a road hazard for other vehicles and could cause a crash. Potential number of units affected is 23. It affects the 24 through 25 Luminate and Indigo RVs. Forest River. Leaf spring bolt failure. A clip detachment may cause leaf springs to fan out and could cause a crash. Potential number of units affected is 21. It affects the 25 through 26 Coachman RV Type C Encourage motorhomes. Forest River again. Sewer gas may enter the vehicle. Sewer gas that enters the vehicle could cause an injury. Potential number of units affected is 8. It affects the 26 Flagstaff and the Rockwood RVs. Rev Group. Seat fasteners may damage propane hoses, gas leak, and could cause a fire. Potential number of units affected is 39. It affects the 24 through 26 Holiday Rambler Invicta, Fleetwood Fortis, RVs equipped with the theater seat option. And speaking of RV fire and an RV gas leak, what you want is actually the best detection system out there that will automatically shut it off in this case, and that is called Gas Stop. Use gas effectively, use Gas Stop, and prevent gas leaks and secure your family. A link will be in the video description below for you to save 10%. Trust me, if you've got an LP gas tank on your RV, you want one of these because it brings you some security that your family will never have to experience a gas leak inside. It could cause an explosion. Winnebago. Improperly installed shelf may fail. A shelf that detaches can hit the occupant and could cause an injury. Potential number of units affected is 307. It affects the 25 access trailer. Forest River again. Missing over current protection could cause a fire. Unprotected wire can cause a fire. Potential number of units affected is 2,033. It affects the 25 through 26 Forest River Aurora, Coachman Catalina, 26 Coachman Vikings, Coachman Clipper RVs, Jayco. Murphy bed may fall unexpectedly. A Murphy bed that falls and could cause an injury. The number of units affected is 53. It affects the 26 Heartland Bighorn and Jayco North Point fifth wheels. Ram. Radiator fan electrical circuit may overheat. An electrical circuit that overheats could cause a fire. Potential number of units affected is 291,664. It affects the 18 through 26 Ram ProMaster vehicles. Forest River. Incorrect tire information label. A overinflated tire in information could cause a crash. Potential number of units affected is 23. It affects the 25 Stealth Evio RV Pod, 25, 26 Wildwood, and the Salem travel trailers. Forest River again. Exterior stove griddle can cause a fire. A griddle stowed while gas still in use could cause a fire. Potential number of units affected is 38. It affects the 26 Wildwood and Salem travel trailers. Forest River again. Incorrect GVWR and CCC information on the label. Referencing incorrect GVWR and CCC may enable the vehicle to be overloaded and could cause a crash. Potential number of units affected is 100. It affects the 25 through 26 Alpha travel trailer. Thor. Liquid propane hose may contact generator exhaust. An LP hose that contacts generator exhaust could cause a fire. Potential number of units affected is 529. It affects the 26 Geneva, 25 through 26 Quantum, Four Winds, Pasadena, Eddie Bauer, Chateau, Freedom Elite, and Coleman RVs. Winnebago, label list incorrect tire size. Wrong tire size may be installed with incorrect information, could cause a crash. Potential number of units affected is 377. It affects the 19 Micro Mini 5, Mini Drop, 2020 Mini Plus, 18 through 21 Mini, 22 Hike, 100 travel trailers. There you have it. That's the RV news and recalls for November. Brought you the latest news, and yes, we're here at Rainbow RV Resort. And by the way, if you haven't checked out that video, it just came out this week. Link will be in the video description for that as well. You can check out the whole video for this park. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. It's a phenomenal park, phenomenal atmosphere. Everyone around here is super friendly. It is amazing. It's a great snowbird place. They still have a few sites left. You definitely want to get in on this place. Be sure to call them up and let them know you've seen it here on Destinations A to Z. As always, guys, we hope this information has been helpful. All the RV recall information will be a link in the video description below as usual. You can download that at your leisure to compare it to what you have to make sure that you're included in the recall. And it's got all the information that you'll need. Thanks for watching as always. And remember, as always, safe travels.